What you do ya?
What you mean what me do ya? But you're not supposed to do your yard.
You know it's good to see a familiar face. Come and go chat, man. Forward. So, let me ask you something. Are the International Community Relations Program you there upon?
Yeah, man. I've been a part of this for the last 2 years now.
So, how me never know that?
You know me not too load up my thing in the police.
You see it? If me know that, would I link you? I make me and you travel together.
For me, never know say you're interested in them community thing. I think it's a side thing for you.
No, brother, man, what you talk about? I'm serious about it, man. You know, so what I have to learn how to do things to develop a community.
That's why me there, so. I must not like politicians, you know. So I not look for no handouts from none of them to help with nothing in my community.
But I understand that from a caller time, but my reason kind of different from you.
So, what are your reasons? Where they are?
So that's why that sounds so. I work with them, you know. Listen, the truth is, the local police them and them community, them now have the community police band. They don't know how to communicate. So, more kind of change the narrative. They are that.
I can't respect that still, you know. I don't know. I don't trust police.
So what you say? You don't trust me?
Oh, me fear attack you. You're one in a million, you know. You're not a regular police. You're different. You're family.
Oh, but differently, Dada. We need to change the narrative they do. Because we need each other.
Well, I play my part, you know.
And that me I do too. Me I pray so when I forward back a yard, I want to teach some of them police about community development and community motivation. You know what I mean?
One thing still, you know. Love how you think still, you know. So when we reach back a yard, we have to collaborate.
Say less, Dada. I want to go that.
Which is right. I know poor is wrong.
Here there.
So what go on a yard?
Yard hot bad.
What do you mean hot? What go on down there?
Dada, not literally. I mean it hot. The summer wicked.
I know better them send some of the little fire up here, you know, because I can't understand them cold country, you know.
Watch out. You saw you in my room, I would even offer you something to drink or one chocolate.
Good man, you know my style already.
Alright, now say a word.
So, how my brother do? What go on?
Oh, quick.
Then I could have always me attack. Pink Boston, they are foreigners, so which part me there?
Boy, Dada, that thing you beat him bad. It look like him man pretty at it. Because of the different emotions them way man go through.
John no star. I'm not lie to look, I'm begging us still to look over the youth the shoulder for my man. And all him to the man not even take my call him, you know.
I know that's in a Dada. Him just now want you see me in him weakness.
Yeah, but the man for know some not pray that.
Dada, what you have to understand, you know, it's a psychological thing, you know. That's something me did have to learn in the agency, and pretty say I'm fret about the surgery, so I have to understand that part there.
Police, quick on my brother, you know. And them man if you know some man I got always there. I got always there for him. So I don't know why I pray with bag of emotion and all of them things there for.
Him soon reach out, Dada. Just give him some time.
Time? Skeleton? What kind of season you talk about? Quick for know some have him back.
I know that. But just do me a favor. Send him some motivational texts. Just to build up him confidence about the surgery. Alright?
One got that, man.
And do me one more favor.
What that now?
Stop calling me police over here. Wall of ears.
That's what I worry about police. Sorry. That's what I worry about.
Yes.
A simple thing that, man. Call it bubbles, man.
Anyway, you got the session later?
You know, so me da pray still, me not lie. Me da pray.
can't do that party somebody like you. I have a lecture demonstration for do tomorrow. So I gotta prepare. Make sure you're forward.
Some of must stay there. I support for support, you know. I'm to your police. I mean, Bubbles.
So after Berlin, where you go?
You know, I have a couple more countries to do before I go back a yard, and plus, I have to link up Pink Boss over Switzerland.
Which is right. I'm gonna have 3 more weeks and go back home.
Do the right thing, man. So watch your style, you know. I give a piece of food before I move. Forget quick for me, you see me?
Definitely.
So you go on do your thing, you know. Me, I go get ready for that little session thing over the man.
Yeah, me too, I'm not gonna stay too long because if I do my presentation, I'm on. Dada, why you have my buckle in your hand?
You know, say half of me I drink, I'm just forward still, but now I feel like I gotta take the whole buckle. What about it, man? I'm fine with them, man.
That's why you put up by one.
You're rich in the police. Let's go on and get ready, man. You know the thing already, is it? Catch up, they don't have my room.
Alright, sir. You're the man of police. See them things, yeah? You never have the door open and I call the police out of them. Let me live down. You say, well, I'm busy.
So, it's alright.
Hey, sexy man.
Alright.
So,